Hi. Welcome to another edition of Stephen's Advantage and Advantage Scientific Educational Videos. Today's topic is 3/4-inch particleboard versus MDF for cabinet manufacturing. Particleboard is a composite panel product consisting of cellulosic particles of various sizes that are bonded together with a synthetic resin or binder under heat and pressure. Particle geometry, resin levels, board density and manufacturing processes may be modified to produce products suitable for specific end uses. At the time of manufacturing, additives can be incorporated to impart specific performance enhancements, including greater dimensional stability, increased fire retardancy and moisture resistance. Medium-density fiberboard or MDF is a composite panel product typically consisting of cellulosic fibers combined with a synthetic resin or other suitable bonding system, joined together under heat and pressure. Additives may be introduced during manufacturing to impart additional characteristics. Today's particleboard gives industrial users the consistent quality and design flexibility needed for fast, efficient production lines and quality products such as residential and commercial cabinets and furnishings. MDF is widely used in the manufacture of furniture, kitchen cabinets, door parts, moldings, millwork and laminate flooring. It excels for inlay railing and shaped moldings. Particleboard panels are manufactured in a variety of dimensions with a wide range of physical properties, providing maximum design flexibility for specifiers and end users. MDF panels are manufactured with a variety of physical properties and dimensions, providing the opportunity to design the end product with the specific MDF needed. Particleboard provides a core that can be used in all high-speed dowel pin type, casebody construction. When the pin is inserted into the pre-drilled hole containing glue, the glue smoothly flows up around the fluted pin, creating a fully wetted surface between the pin and the core without splitting the core open. An MDF core has the tendency to split when used in high-speed dowel pin type, casebody construction, reducing the effectiveness of the bonded joint and the structural integrity of the product. The split may not even be visible to the eye. Also, drilling precision-sized pilot holes for screw fasteners is required, because using undersized holes will split the core. In summary, the mechanical properties of both particleboard and MDF exceed the design requirements for casebody construction. Both provide a smooth surface for thermally fused laminate surfacing. However, particleboard is clearly the composite panel of choice for use in TFL panels for furnishings and cabinetry manufacturing, providing the full value of performance required by the end use. The lamination surface and physical properties level of particleboard are substantially above the standards. MDF costs more than particleboard, requires more energy to produce and does not provide any performance or functionality enhancement to the casework cabinet structure design specification. This rationale allows Stephen's use of particleboard to provide casework of the highest quality to specification, while not increasing the cost in the competitive bid for work.